How to get free money on Cash App. Hey everybody, welcome back to Let Me Help. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you some ways you can earn free money from Cash App. So head over to your Cash application from your device. Then make sure that you are logged into your Cash App account. Go ahead and tap onto your profile icon on your top right. At this section, you will see Invite Friends. Tap onto it. It will ask permission to allow your contact access to easily invite your friends. To do that, just tap onto continue at the bottom of the page. Then you could invite all your friends from all the social media platforms. And you could also earn some money with Cash Card Boost. Once you link your bank card with Cash App account, you could earn some bonuses and get some discounts. The third way you could do it is by earning with Bitcoin Boosts. This is another excellent way of earning money on Cash App is by activating Bitcoin Boost and making a qualification purchase through your Cash Card. Just like so, these are some ways that you could earn money. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will be back soon with more tutorials like this.